OBS Studio versus Bandicam screen recorder comparison. Choosing the right screen recorder can completely change how you capture videos without losing quality or ease of use. OBS Studio offers open source flexibility, while Bandicam focuses on simplicity and performance. OBS Studio and Bandicam are two popular screen recording tools. The core difference lies in OBS being a free, open-source platform with extensive customization, whereas Bandicam is a paid software designed for straightforward recording with optimized performance. OBS Studio is a free, open-source screen recorder and streaming software widely used by content creators and professionals. It works by capturing video from your screen, webcam, or other sources, then encoding it in real time with customizable settings. Its strengths include a powerful scene composition system, support for multiple sources, and integration with streaming platforms. OBS also offers advanced audio mixing, filters, and plugins to extend functionality. However, its interface can be complex for beginners, requiring some time to learn and configure properly. Ideal users are those who want full control over recording and streaming setups, including gamers, educators, and live streamers who need flexibility and no extra cost. Bandicam is a paid screen recording software that focuses on simplicity and high-quality video capture. It records your screen or gameplay using hardware acceleration, which ensures smooth performance even on modest systems. Bandicam supports recording in various formats and offers features like real-time drawing, webcam overlay, and scheduled recording. Its strengths include an intuitive user interface, minimal setup, and efficient compression to produce smaller file sizes without sacrificing quality. However, Bandicam lacks the extensive customization and plugin support found in OBS Studio. It is best suited for users who want a quick, reliable screen recorder with professional results, but prefer a straightforward experience without the learning curve. When comparing OBS Studio and Bandicam, the choice depends on your priorities. OBS Studio excels in customization and streaming integration, making it perfect for users who want to build complex recording setups or broadcast live. Its free nature is a major advantage, but comes with a steeper learning curve. Bandicam shines in ease of use and performance, ideal for users who want to record gameplay or tutorials quickly with minimal configuration. It offers better out-of-the-box compression and smaller file sizes, but at a cost. For example, a gamer wanting to stream with multiple overlays will benefit from OBS, while someone recording simple tutorials or gameplay videos may prefer Bandicam's straightforward approach. Choose OBS Studio if you need a free, highly customizable tool with powerful streaming features and don't mind investing time to learn its interface. Opt for Bandicam if you want a user-friendly screen recorder that delivers high-quality videos with minimal setup and efficient compression. It's perfect for users seeking simplicity and performance without diving into complex configurations. Both tools serve distinct needs, so pick based on your workflow.